Hey everyone, today I'll be reviewing the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Hydrating Serum. Make sure you stay tuned until the end to see what I ended up rating this one. So for 1 ounce, this is $36. It's a hydrating serum, and it's definitely on the cheaper end of the spectrum as far as face serums are concerned. The texture of this one is really thick. It's almost like a gel. It's clear, so it kind of looks like a gel you would use in your hair. They say to just use 1 pump of product, I think because it is so thick. So when you are applying it, I definitely didn't think it had a super thick feeling to it. And it actually didn't have like a gooey, sticky feeling once it applied. It was really more of a moisturizing feeling. So the texture kind of put me off at first, but it's definitely a nice experience when applying it. So the application of this is super simple. You use it morning and night on clean, dry skin. The only thing that they made sure they put in their directions, which I hadn't really seen spelled out like this before, was to make sure it fully absorbs before putting your moisturizer on. So that just made me a little bit more aware of how long I was waiting before I put other products on. So it's not hard to use this product. I just think I had to be more aware of really what it felt like. But you can definitely tell once it's absorbed, you kind of have a smooth, soft feel to your skin. I would say, and I might be a little more conservative with this dry time just because I was hypersensitive, but I would say it really does take a full minute for this to fully absorb into your face, to the point that when I put my moisturizer on, it kind of felt like I was just putting it on my skin versus on top of another product. So I would say about 60 seconds. This is totally odorless, so that's kind of nice for people who are sensitive to that. So I use this at night first, and I did notice first and foremost just how soft my skin felt, so that was kind of a nice side effect of using the serum. And then that was kind of it as far as initial results. I didn't have any dry skin on my face when I started using this, but it didn't cause me to have dry skin either, so I guess it was hydrating in that sense. But kind of long term, I didn't really experience great results with this. I would actually say kind of initially the next morning I woke up and I kind of felt like I had more blackheads on my chin and nose than normal. And I do have blackheads there almost all of the time, but they just felt a little more prevalent using this. And that was kind of the case long term as well. It didn't really plump up my face. I didn't get dry skin using it, but if this is a hydrating serum, I just expect mega hydration, really plump, healthy feeling skin. And I've used other hydrating serums like that. And this just was not the case with this one. It didn't cause blemishes, but it just also didn't do anything really great for my skin. So I ended up giving this a 2 out of 5 stars. I think it's it's nice to have soft feeling skin. It's pretty easy to work into your daytime and nighttime routine, and it's odorless. There's definitely aspects of it that are nice, but even for $36, it's not really worth it if you're not getting the benefits, especially if there's something else out there that is way more hydrating. So this is just a 2 out of 5 stars for me. Let me know what you guys think of this, or if you've used this specific serum, or if you've tried this brand before. I'd really like to hear what your experience is, so make sure you comment that down below. And then always, if you guys have a face serum you want me to trial, make sure you list that below as well. If you want to see my full review on this serum, make sure you visit us at FaceSerum.com.